You're a successful guy. That's a cool thing. You've built a business, you've built a career, you've done all these incredible things, but the problem is your health is lacking. It's an obvious thing, right? Your energy's dwindling, your strength, you've lost that. Your flexibility, your mobility, all those different things, they're all things of the past. When you were younger, when you felt far more energized, more energetic, and you used that energy you had when you were younger to build that career you're living in right now. But getting back to where you were, to that youthful kind of vigor and energy that you had, is a major challenge. Am I right or am I wrong? I bet you I'm right, because you have done all these incredible things back then and found incredible success with your career. But when it comes to your health, that was then, this is now. If you're over 40 like me, I'm 54 now, and the energy levels for me, because of what I do and what I want to share with you, are still super high. Like, it's 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and I woke up before the alarm. Pretty cool. I want that for you. And I know you can do that simply because you are already a successful guy. You have that ability, you have that drive, you have that work ethic, you have that mindset, you have those abilities to be a successful person. Now, you've just got to pull some of that incredible talent, skill, and drive, put it in the right strategy, and we'll put it together to make you back to where you were as a young man and better as you get older. And to stay that way, that's the other thing that's cool. Because yes, you can be fit and healthy short term. That's what a lot of other people are going to train you to do. But I want to train you to be 110 and still lifting your great-great-grandkids around and playing and having fun. So that's the whole point to the way I train, the way I train my clients, and that's the way I want to train with you. And here's the other thing. The thing is, it doesn't have to be complicated. And I don't like making things complicated. It doesn't work for many people, because those programs you might have done in the past, the things you might have done when you were younger, like crazy reps, crazy sets, all this complicated stuff, heavy lifting, compound weight training that ends up messing up joints for sure. That is not the way I train. That is not how most guys these days are training for complete success. Long term, that's the important part. Long term. See, I want it to be straightforward. I want it to be simple. If you want to have energy through the roof, you want to move, you want to be stronger, you want to be fitter, healthier, and happier than you've ever been, well, that's what I want to do with you. That's what I want to train with you. I don't just give you a program and then walk away and let you do it on your own. No, I'm there every step of the way. That's the whole point. That's the difference between the way I train my clients. It's not just about the training. It's also very, very important about what you eat. You see, you can train all you want. You can train really, really hard, high intensity training, all the different things. There's so many different ways to move your body. That's all great. That's going to help make your muscles stronger, make your endurance better, help your cardio and all those things. But the real magic happens here in the kitchen, your kitchen, any kitchen. It all revolves around the food you're eating. You know, this is what's going to change your overall body composition. This is what's going to make you gain muscle, burn body fat, get stronger, and have more energy. It's all about the food. And a lot of programs out there are going to teach you how to train, great, but they don't talk about the food. This is the most important part. If there was a percentage-wise, this is 75% of the equation right here, the food that's going into your body. 25% is how you move your body. So the way I'm going to train you, it's going to revolve around all of that equally. There's no shining the light more on how I'm going to move your body and how you're going to get stronger. They go hand in hand. So I hope that makes a little bit more sense to you. That's why, you know, programs you might have done in the past have failed. You try doing what you used to do when you're 20. Now you're 40. Doesn't work. Things change. So I want you to change your frame of mind, come back with a whole new understanding that things are different now. And I'm the one, I know I can help you sift through all the bullshit that's out there, all the stuff that's happening where it's getting so confusing. I get that. I want to make it much more simple for you. Way easier for you to follow, way easier for you to understand, and I'm there for you the whole way, all right? So if you want to talk, head on over to broprothrive.com. We'll set up a call. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Talk to you soon.